Hello, this is a very quick unboxing for the Rode Wireless Go wireless microphone system. It's the compact wireless microphone system. Comes in quite a small box, quite a nice little glossy box. It's got a little handle for point of sale stands to clip onto, so quite a nice little thing. That's what it sort of suggests it comes with. It's the Series 2 version, 2.4 gigahertz digital transmission, all-in-one microphone or lav belt pack, 7+ hours battery life. So let's open it up and have a look. There's one seal there, so we'll just put that down and we'll just crack that seal. Now it should just sort of drop out, and it does. The actual box itself is sealed. There's a tear here, so I'm going to tear here like it says. And then it opens up, and we're greeted with a quick start guide on the lid, showing you what the various things are. Open it up, there's another little thing there, and these I think are attached to the cardboard inside, so I guess we have to lift that out. I'll just tip it upside down, see if it will just drop out, and it does. A few bits in there, look. Oh gosh, we've got quite a lot of stuff actually. So there's the there's one USB Type A to C, another USB Type A to C, presumably is for charging. The actual mics themselves and the battery and the receiver is on clipped on. So that's that one. This one is also clipped on. It goes like that. And there's nothing more in that there. That's the sort of desiccant stuff to get any moisture out in transit. Ooh. There's a little fluffy what's it. Another fluffy what's it. So that's the wind. Those are the wind protectors. Little fluffy things that stop the wind from being picked up. There's a cable there so that you can plug it into something else, like for example this GoPro that I'm using. There's regulatory and safety information, and a little pouch to put them in. Do they fit? They do. Does the cable fit as well? It does. Does anything else fit in there? No. Probably not. No. Well, yeah. So, nice little bag, but everything doesn't fit in it. So I guess you just have your microphones and you have your accessories. So that's what you get with it. You get two USB Type A to C leads for charging. You get the microphone, transmitter and receiver. You get the little two wind protectors, ring noise protectors, little fluffy things, a cable to plug it into something else, and that's about it. Where's the mic bit? There's the actual mic bit on it there, look, if you can see that. That's the actual mic bit there, and this is the receiver. So that's what you clip on to your camera, and you plug that in there, and then feed that into the microphone socket on your camera. I think from what I've been reading, they also come pre-paired. So basically, you turn them on and off they go. So anyway, any questions, any comments about that? Stick them in the comments. I might do a test on this a bit later when I've got the chance to see how it compares to the mic I'm using at the moment, which is that little Sony one. But yeah, any questions, any comments, stick them in the comments. Liking and subscribing is always encouraged, and thanks for watching.